Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your REDMI Pad 2. So first let's go over to the settings. Here we need to scroll a bit down until we see display and brightness. Now click it, and here select your brightness. Here we can adjust it by sliding with the slider. So after adjusting it, make sure to disable the automatic brightness. And what else you guys can do is scroll down, go to refresh rate, and here select custom, and instead of 90 Hz select 60. It should help a lot. Now after that, what you guys can also do is download the screen dimmer app from Play Store. So we need to go to Play Store. Now go to search and search for the screen dimmer OLED saver, and now it's this app right here, the first one. Click install. It's about 2 MB, so it doesn't take a lot of space. It's gonna install very fast. Now let's click open, and here we have the app. So now let's click here, grant a lot of permissions because the app somehow needs to work. So this is the first one. Now let's move on to the accessibility and go to downloaded apps. Now select the screen dimmer and click use screen dimmer. Now let's click I'm aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. Basically it can read our screen because it has to modify the brightness. So this is why there's the warning, but you shouldn't be worried. Now let's get the notifications. So grant permission, click allow, and now enable the screen dimmer right here. So it should dim your screen a little. For me it doesn't work right now as it should, but I know that it's compatible. Maybe I have something messed up in the general settings of the tablet, but I'm sure it works. I tested it on a lot of devices, I think about 10. So yes, the app is working. And now what you guys can also do after checking the app, go back to settings. Here go to about tablet. Now click HyperOS, and here you will check for your software updates. So make sure to run the latest version of the HyperOS because it comes with a lot of fixes, including the screen flickering, the touch screen, and a lot of problems. So make sure to run the latest versions. And that would be it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.